question is, how do birds chew their food when they do not have any teeth? It has been observed that all species of birds gallop seeds without crushing them in their beak. Then the question that arises here is how birds crush and digest their swallowed food. The mouth opening in the birds is bounded by the upper and lower beaks, which are without any teeth. Therefore, a bird cannot chew food as humans and animals do. Hence, birds swallow seeds without crushing them. God has gifted them with an unusual food processing system, which has 3 units within the stomach, such as storage area, glandular stomach, and gizzard. The swallowed food has to pass through all these 3 stages. The swallowed food is stored at one place, then supplied to a second place called glandular to add moisture to stored food, and then goes to gizzard, which has thick muscle walls with hard inner ridges, capable of grinding seeds. Birds also swallow small pebbles, which remain in the cavity of the gizzard, which help in the crushing of food.